Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, we'll see how to crochet a scarf using two colors. This scarf measures 146 centimeters long and has a width of 16 centimeters, which can be adjusted. This pattern is very easy and it's basically a one row repeat pattern. I use light worsted weight or DK weight yarn, which is category 3 yarn, in two contrasting colors, each about 100 grams and measuring about 250 meters. Along with it, you will also need a 5 mm crochet hook. This scarf is worked lengthwise, so I am making 241 chains using the first color, which is grey. For a custom length, you can make any number of chains in odd numbers. So here I am making 241 chains, and this gives me a scarf of about 146 centimeters in length. After you complete the chains, you are going to make double crochet 2 stitches together with a chain in between. For that, you skip 3 chains from the hook, yarn over and insert hook into the 4th chain, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is an incomplete double crochet. Once again, yarn over, skip 1 chain and go to the next chain, insert hook, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is DC2 together with a chain in between. Now make 1 chain and then into the same chain where you worked your previous stitch, insert hook, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now skip the next chain, go to the next chain, insert hook, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Then chain 1, insert hook in the same chain where you worked your previous stitch, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops, skip 1 chain, yarn over, insert hook into the next chain, pull yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, chain 1, repeat this across. We have reached the end of the row. Now after the last double crochet, 2 stitches together, you will be left with 1 chain, chain 1 and work a double crochet into this last chain. You can cut off the yarn. This scarf is worked only on the right side, so you need not turn over. Fasten off the yarn and now let's join the next color to the beginning of the row. Now go to the first stitch, that is the first 3 chains that you skipped, that is the first stitch. Pull the second color through this stitch and now start working using the second color. Chain 3, this counts as your first stitch, and now yarn over, insert hook into the space next to the first stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and insert hook into the next chain 1 space, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, chain 1, yarn over and insert hook in the same space where you completed your previous stitch, and work the double crochet 2 stitches together, chain 1, and again double crochet 2 stitches together, working into the 2 chain 1 spaces. Continue this across. After the last double crochet 2 stitches together, chain 1 and work a double crochet in the last stitch. Then cut the yarn off. You will be repeating the second row over and over, alternating the colors until you reach the desired width. So now I am using grey and repeating row 2. I worked totally 13 rows starting and ending with grey. You can work more rows if you want a wider scarf, and also you can use more than 2 colors to make a very colorful scarf. You'll have plenty of loose ends to weave in. You can use your yarn needle, or you can also use a smaller hook to weave in the ends. This is how I normally do. Now I'll show you how to attach fringes to your scarf. For that you will need a small piece of rectangular cardboard. And now wrap the yarn around the piece of cardboard or whatever you're using a few times. Cut one end. Now repeat it for the other color also, and you have a few strands of yarn in both the colors. Take 2 strands of the first color and fold in half. Now using your hook, insert the folded part of the strand through the first row and pull a loop. Now insert the free ends of the yarn through the loop and pull the yarn and tighten the loop. Use the second color for the second row. Repeat this on both the sides, and once you have completed both the sides, you can trim the ends. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this pattern, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.